So today we're going to be opening an LOL costume. So as you can see, it says LOL Surprise Orphans. So let's get opening. So here it is. Wow, it looks so cool on the inside. So it looks like we're going to get a baby, a boy, and a girl. So we got Among Us ball. Ooh. Look, we got Rainbow, we got Mario, we got Luigi, and we got a baby minion. We got here Wendy's and McDonald's and Anxiety and Minion. So we're gonna leave this one for last. So we're gonna go with the yellow. We're gonna go from smallest to biggest. Let's just do it this way. Let's do this one. Wow. Purple water bottle. Oh. So we're here. So we'll do this one next. Let me show you the design first. Bye bye, design. What? Ooh, we got some cute clothes. Nice shirt. This here. For a boy and shirts. I guess this is a boy. Let's open it. So we got packaging here. Oh no! So let's open our boy. Ready? Wow! Look at him. He looks so cute. So let's put his clothes on. Upside. Wrong way. Other way around. Put his shirt on. Then just give him this bottle. I know we're almost finishing. So remember that these are all orphans, so they're going to be different color and like this. But they're all family. That's sweet. And let's get his bottle. There we go, our boy. Let's just leave him. Just take all this out. So just close it. So just do it like this. And leave our boy in here, because that's where he was. So we're going to now open our yellow and green. So we got a green. And let's just move this onto the side. Right here. Come on, stand up. No, your blood bottle. There we go. Let's leave you there. And let's keep going. Green. Open this one. The design is so cute. What do we have in here? Look! It's dawn and dusk. So, can you guess which one's dawn or dusk? This is dawn, this is dusk. They're so cute. I love how her hair just blends in like this. And then she can change her hair color from pink to orange. And then here she will wear some clothes. And we're going to show you how this will be. So, here. Oh, they just done. Let's open our second surprise. Ooh, we got a bag. So it says dark side and bright side. So we know where to put these. So put dark side and squeeze in bright side. Like, or we can just put them both onto one side like this. Babies in a bag. Oh. They keep falling out. Which one's your favorite, dawn or dusk? But, oh no! Come on! So we got our babies. So, everything, let's move this out of the way. Along with our baby. all. Tiny. So let's start the crowns. I'm guessing this is what we're going to do here. It even has LOL writing. So we're going to leave it for smalls to biggest. Like this. So let's open these. Oh! Ooh, killer shoes. Let's put these. How many times? Bring you closer. Okay. So, like 3 shoes. Wow! Look how cute these look. So she loves this left or right. This is, so we got the wrong way. Right and left. So let's open our second surprise. Ooh, clothes. So we got her clothes. So cute. So keep it clear. Next, third. I think this is the most one of the surprises. Ooh, a cute golden bottle.
Squish.
We got final one. Wow! Look at her. She's so cute. She's doing a display. I'm a gymnast. Are you a gymnast? Ooh, thank you. I'm trying to pull you off. We gotta open this complete thing. What's on the back? There she is. Color. I like her makeup and golden hair. So let's put these on her. I think you got that. Okay. Boy, stand there. There we go. Oh, Oscar. Do you know the song? Do you know the song Oscars? The song Oscars go like this. And the Oscars. They should do like this.
And this is the most oldest song in the world. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Look at her. I grew up. Bye.
Okay.
So,
You have some nice paint.
her bottle.
Nice paint.
There
Wow.
we go. There she is. She looks so cute. And her skin color. I'm going to go to the shop. Wait, I forgot. Let me go to my siblings. So they're basically orphans. So they're totally different. So this one's lighter. This is dark.